Welcome back as we explore the GATEXPERT GT1300-GREY, which easily handles gates up to 1,300 pounds. This powerful chain-driven system uses a 280-watt motor to move gates 40 feet long. You can quickly adjust the automatic closing time to fit your specific daily security needs. Connect extra accessories like infrared sensors and wireless keypads to upgrade your entire home security system. DIY installation is a simple process requiring only common tools and no high-voltage electrical connection. 2 manual release keys ensure you can always open your gate during a sudden power failure. Every unit includes a 1-year warranty and comprehensive system solutions for your complete peace of mind. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.